Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, please turn on post notification bell on to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we are gonna take a trip to South Trinidad. For sale, we have a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in the residential area of 12 Anchor Drive, Westmoorings South Trinidad. This house is currently priced at Trinidadian $6 million or US $884,000. This house is a well-maintained 2-story dwelling with large attic and beautiful manicured gardens. The land size is 5,500 square feet, and other features of this home includes master bedroom with ensuite upgraded bathroom and walk-in closet, powder room, open plan living library, utility room, maid quarters, covered 2-car garage, and excellent security system, fully burglar proof. Now, let's take a look at this house, and please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on these properties. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.